Audio Jungle.
To Crypto Victoria community, before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start review now. Welcome to the Surfboard. Guys, it is very unique, amazing and interesting platform. I have placed all official links in my video description, so you have to simply click and you can open this interface. The straighter way to your heart is always through your wallet. A revolutionary web platform managed by decentralized autonomous organization DAO that leverages decentralized technology to scan users' wallets, calculate their net worth, and provide tailored advice to optimize their investment portfolio. So you have to join our community. You are all in one dashboard to effortless overease every assessed. So you have to experience the ease of monitoring all your digital assets in one place with Surfboard's initiative dashboard. Start using Surfboard now and take control of your crypto profit flow with unparalleled simplicity and clarity. If you have to secure your all tokens, all your payments, so crypto payments, so you have to join this amazing platform. This unleashes the power of AI driven profit flow management inside and unfilled assist management with Surfboard. So here is an comprehensive assessed overview, AI powered insights, and also collaborative developer ecosystem, integrated trustworthy partnerships. So here you can read there all information about all of these. So this is the Surfboard Economics. Here you can see their public launch pad is 2%, public sale 17%, stacking rewards is 15%, airdrop will be start, which is 3%, development operational, and that is 15%, 25% treasury and ecosystem private sale is 15%, and team advisors is 8%. Here is the all about their technomics, and this is the total supply of this board. Here you can see there, and it is basically based on Polygon ERC20 contract address. Here is the contract address. You have to copy this and you can buy this amazing. So here is the Surfboard ecosystem. Here you can see the assist management platform, developer ecosystem, community governance, and also AI powered analytics. So integrations with crypto project. These are the partners with other crypto projects for staking, ICO services, and more. Here is the educational and sport resources which provide for users to understand and maximize the use of platform. Here you can see their blockchain layer also, and it is the roadmap. Roadmap is basically the development, future and past development of about the platform. So you have, before joining this platform, you can read their all development about this project. In 2023, POC version released also demo Surfboard Finance and generate hype and traction to extend the community IDOs with BSCs, and also launch with MEX and Surfboard stacking contract also, and roll out AI Insight feature alpha. So here is the, in December 2023, launched the board token variant beta centralized. Basically it is launched in 2023 December, and in 2024, which is the development about front end and back end and MV. Here is the market research to tune up the dynamics, organize the hackathon to record community developers, and also set up all community tools. Soft launch the developer community, also establish MOUs with universities and government agencies. And in here January-March 2024, development with dev community and MP we beta centralized. And here is the, in 2024, rollout version 0.9, also POC of the Cosmos chain, and development boards to reach Telegram user as well as Twitter users, plug in for Web3 solutions. So here is Tron app also and Twitter app also here. is the development. And in 2024 3rd in July, here you can see there go live on Sovereign chain, also manage exponential growth of protocols and manage exponential growth of users. And in October December 2024 launched the Cosmos chain version 3.0 beta decentralized. Here is the our hard working team. Here you can see our CEO, our co-lead developer, and here these are doing hard work to excellent work by their team to approaching this amazing platform to get more success by the hard work of this beautiful team. So here is our partner, which is Max, BSC, Polygon, and Ignite. And these are our social medias account: Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and YouTube, Instagram. You have to must join these platform. You can get all upcoming information, news about surfboard here. So you have to join our communities. So here is the surfboard finance. Here you can see there unveils next gen DeFi tools, wallet scanning, dashboards, and about anonymous marketplaces. Here is also the introducing board marketplace and revolutionizing the DeFi space with secure anonymous transactions. And here you can see 600 USGT giveaway masters the lucky wheel Trump. And here is also the surfboard finance spirit planning navigation with week 12 with strategic objectives, and you have to just follow on this. And these are the also revolutionizing your assist and NFTs management with surfboard finance. And here is also the how you inside surfboard finance strategic move to lock 70% more tokens for future growth. So here is the hamstring AI, the driving force behind surfboard finance evolution. So here you can see there from AI from data to decision, the AI path in surfboard DeFi. So here is the medium also. Here you can also see the transformative rules of AI in surfboard finance. So you have to must read their all rules of AI in surfboard finance, which is about portfolio management, optimization, predictive analytics, risk assessment, also therefore detection and security, customer support and user engagement, token and NFT analysis, market sentiment analysis. And here is the all about the results. And these are the also our social media's account. So this is the introduction of board marketplace revolutionizing the DeFi space with secure anonymous transactions. So here you can see there about a surfboard anonymous marketplace ensuring legal complaints and transaction security. They are giving us you and us transaction security of your tokens, NFTs, and your payments. So you have to must join this new era of anonymous yet complaint trading, a transactional blockchain. Their secure and seamless and smart contracts and also point system are synergetic ecosystem, users accessibility and platform integration here also available, and strategic marketing and utility of board tokens, parallel development complementing wallet scaling capabilities. And here is the conclusion: setting new standards in DeFi. So this is the inside surfboard finance strategic move to lock 70% of board token for future growth. So they have locked about 70% of the board tokens, and these are the new standards of DeFi sustainability. Surfboard finance has implemented a strategic token lock mechanism across various supply categories, so you are secure and safe. If you join the surfboard, your all income is secure. Also you have to lock your supply inside. So here is the all procedure or methods of the locked supply inside treasury. Locked period, which is about 2 years. Locked amount also, board tokens are also available, how much you can lock there. And release schedule is also available, which is 100% after 2 years, and designated for utilization on the bridge and within layer 1 network support. So here here is the contract address which I have already described. And it is the completely detail about public sale which is locked 2 years I have described, and this is the development locked period for public sale is 1 year, and also their release schedule is 10% every 6 months until it is fully completed. And stock staking reverse is also locked period 2 years, and release schedule is 10% every 6 months until fully completed. And teams and advisors locked period 6 months, and also they release after the 6 month. Here is the also detail about airdrop, private sale, and complete total summary and details about the surfboard. And here is a revolutionize your assistant NFT profit management with Surfboard Finance, where Nevada AI eliminates the way. So here you can see they are on Coin Market Cap, also Lunar Crush and Deep Learning Institute redefining crypto analysis, Surfboard Finance, blend of Novida AI, Lunar Crush and Coin Market Cap also. So here you can see there about the Coin Market Cap, Surf Finance on Navida AI. There is the Alchemist in the digital age and Lunar Crash metric going the markets plus Galaxy Score, Airtel rank, and also correlation rank and creator rank, interactions and post. Here is the Coin Market API, which is comprehensive market overview about back testing strategies, charting capabilities, competitive analysis, and also experimentation. And here is the all about their conclusions. So here is the Emma's live session. So here you can see their Emma live session with Surfboard Finance on Binance. Here you can ask anything service if you have any question, any query you can ask, and you can question query about everything about Surfboard. This is the official Twitter account of Surfboard Finance. You have to must join and follow this. I am also following this amazing platform. So here you can see there all upcoming news about the Surfboard Finance. Here you can see their listing on Max, and they have uploaded their all news on their official Twitter account. So you have to must join this, and this is their official Telegram account, so you have to must join this. See you next video. Thanks for watching. So you have to must invite your family and friends on this amazing platform.